This thing one. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Berry Faye. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are unboxing my SHEIN order for 2026's Galentine's Day. This year's Galentine's theme is lavender and butter yellow, so think like pastel cutesy. That's the theme. So let me show y'all all the things I got from SHEIN. Yeah, let's get into it because we've got two big packages, okay? So here is the first item. It is a pack of, I think, 15. So here is a pack of, I think, 15 or 20 little tote bags. Okay, so here are the tote bags, and these tote bags are going to be for the craft that we do. Last year in 2025, I had everyone do vision boards that they could take home. This year, I wanted to step it up a notch, and here they are, and it is pretty good quality. So we've got this, and we're gonna do iron-on patches with this tote bag. So I think that's really, really cute. A cute little takeaway for the girls, you know what I'm saying? So we've got plenty of these. Some of the patches to go on to the bags. I think it's just gonna be such a cute little vibe. You know, everybody ironing on, dancing, listening to some music. I think it's a very cute little vibe. So here are just some of the patches. I've got a set of pink ones, and they have some really cute stuff in there. Yeah, and these are, again, iron-on for the tote bags. I just got my hair done. I'm feeling myself right now, y'all. So, then I've got more patches. These are like initials, so we've got some alphabet patches. I think these are just so cute, just so you could personalize them and make it your own. Then we have this set of plates. We have the purple, bigger lavender dinner plates, and then we have like the cute dessert salad plate. And I think these are just so cute. Again, going with the theme, pastel, pretty and pastel, purples and things. It's gonna be a lot of purple and a lot of yellow. So this year's drink competition is going to be matcha infused. It has to do with matcha. Last year, it was like just a free-for-all, just make a cute Valentine's Day drink. But this year I wanted to narrow it down a little bit more. So I got these cute disposable cups that you would get at a coffee shop. It has the rounded bottom with a nice little strawless lid top. So we've got a whole bunch of these for the matcha competition because yeah, we're gonna be matcha mommies for Galentine, and I'm super excited. I think everybody's gonna be really happy. I really wanted to get personalized stickers, but I ran out of time, so maybe next year. So we've got some cups. Next, we've got some pajamas. I sent everybody a link to these pajamas just like I did last year. So this year's theme again is the purple. So we've got some purple pajamas. So I've got these pretty purple striped bow pajamas. And I got mine in a size large. You know, SHEIN quality, but it's cute for pictures. Got pillowcases. Here is a pillowcase. We might still use it. It's giving matcha green. I thought it was supposed to be yellow, but here is a pillow cover. I'm gonna put it on anyways because why not? Here is another pillowcase. So this is in a lavender purple. So here it is. Ooh, this one is really cutesy. There's a zipper in the back. Real cute, real soft. This is for like my smaller pillows. This is gonna be so cute. So here are some balloons. I'm gonna put a picture right here of what it's supposed to look like, but it is a balloon set with the ribbon. This I'm excited for, and I hope it looks good. This is like the only thing that's pink because I couldn't find these balloons in another color that matches the vibe, but I figured this could go like in the, I'm gonna make like a photo wall, so I feel like this will be good because this is the only thing that's really gonna be like really truly pink, because pink is not really a part of this year's theme. Again, it's a lot of purples and yellows. So there's that. All right, we've got some more patchwork. Okay, so these ones are the black and white themed ones. And I think these are like scriptures and stuff. So this one says Ecclesiastes 3 verse 11. And it says, God made everything beautiful in its time. So these are so cute. And yeah, there's 3 that came in that pack. All right, so here's another one. Some more black and white. This one says Queen, life is beautiful. Girl gang. These are just some more black and white ones. So cute. We've got a lot of different patches. What's this? Oh, a bow. Okay. So here is a like decorative bow. So this is probably the only other pink thing, but this is a cute decorative bow that I'm gonna use for decoration. Maybe I'll put it on the front door. I think that'll be cute so that everybody gets like a cute girly welcome. But yes, we have a cute bow, super, super cutesy. And it comes with these little sticky tabs to just like help you stick it. Then we have another set, another pair of pajamas because I didn't know which one I really wanted. So I bought two. Y'all know Shein is cheap. So this one just says love or lover on it, but it's just a nice little striped lavender pajama set. Then we've got these roses that are supposed to be hung up with string. Some cute little, I'm gonna have those hanging up on the ceiling down to the island. I think that'll be really cute, but yeah, they come with a little string. Here is another pillowcase. And this one is it's a set of two, and it is in this cute, soft butter yellow. Ooh, finally I got the right color. But yeah, we have these cute, soft yellow pillowcases, and it is a set of two. We've got this little table runner. This is so cute. You can use this for like a sunshine party. This is really bright yellow, a little bit too bright, but it is what it is. We are still gonna make it work, but it is a little table runner. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is so bright. Ooh, it's messing up the vibes, but we're gonna find a way to use it. And I also got two purple ones. Okay, that's the color right there. So we've got two of these. We've got so much more patches, okay? These are all faith-based ones here. There's so many in here. More girly themed ones. Again, this is for a tote bag, so I wanted to make sure that I got a lot of them that have like messages on them. So like if you're out in public, you can read it. But yes, this one says, y'all need Jesus, you know? Y'all need Jesus. So that's 3 of those. Pink, like daily affirmations. It's just a whole bunch. I told y'all I have a whole bunch because again, we're decorating tote bags, so you wanna make sure you have enough to fill up your tote. And then here are these little flag picks to put in a cake, because we're gonna do that reel where we say an accomplishment. So I got these cute little flags. I really wanted them to be pink, but it's cool. We got little white ones, and the yellow picks we're gonna put in the cake for an accomplishment cake. So stay tuned for that video of me showing y'all all the things. And I got a pack of fabric markers in case you want to write with your own handwriting on your tote bag. So some cute fabric markers. Got these cute purple disposable straws. This is a pack of 30. We're gonna have way more than enough because I don't think I even have 10 people coming. So yeah, we got a pack of straws. I got this mama sign pack of pastel balloons that I am going to tape to the ceiling. It just has cute little colors. I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm just gonna use the yellow, the green, and the purple. A hair bow so that I can put in my hair. It's gonna be super cutesy. Definitely gonna put my hair in a little ponytail. And then I have this cute little hair bow. So cute. Then I have this sign. I'm pretty sure it says Galentine or something like that, but it is in this cute, pretty pink sparkly. So that'll be good with the bow that's pink, because that's pretty much where all the pink is gonna go. Last, this is a tablecloth that has a little skirt around it. I don't know if I'm gonna use this yet. I might use it on the bar only, and then on the table, just keep my table with decor and stuff. But yes, we've got a little tablecloth. And then last but not least, we have, oh, okay. This is like a little cake stand. I think I have one of these already, but it's one of those stands. It's one of those stands that you put cake pops in. So yeah, I gotta remember to get cake pops because I forgot that I bought this. But yeah, those are all the things that I got from Shein for my Galentine's Day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below, and stay tuned for the Galentine's Day vlog. Bye.